Imagine that you are sleeping with a weight in your hand. You will never get a deep sleep, and your nervous system will be always exhausted. Your body will be tired. You will not get fully energetic during the day. Same example with the mandible or the lower jaw. If the mandible is not sitting in the right or the natural position in the relationship with the muscles, this will lead to symptoms such like jaw clicking, tinnitus, migraine, neck pain, back pain, knee pain in the advanced stages. Because any muscle disturbance in any part in the body will lead to imbalance in the other muscles in our body. So why the mandible could sit in wrong position? Reasons such bad crowns, bad restoration, wrong orthodontic treatment, trauma, or mouth breathing. The natural solution here is to make the full relaxation of the muscles and then to fabricate an orthotic or splint in order to preserve the mandible in the natural or physiological position. Once you get this splint on, you will feel deep and better sleeping quality from day one. Your body will start to recover. And few months later, after the recovery of the muscles and recovery of the joints, disappearing of the symptoms, at that point only, we can start the decoration. Decoration means the other type of treatment like crowns, restoration, braces, etc. The most important notice in this video is to start immediately once you notice such type of problems in order to prevent it to develop to other parts of our body.